This side's got a crack in it. I want to ask for my $100 back, but you can't buy nothing for $100 these days. Okay, let's not drop this one. Oh, it looks like a pickup. A little bit of a menagerie going on here, but I think it'll work. Wow. That'll do, don't it? That'll do. There we go. New pickup truck. Yep. So this is the K Series International that we picked up. This is the Ford box. It was it's from the 50s. I can't remember what year. Looks better than the other box. It's a little shorter, but I still think I'll end up having to cut it, shorten it up for the overall look. I think so, anyway. Don't have a frame yet. Got a line on a motor. Probably just gonna go with the 289 and do some aftermarketing kind of stuff with it. For today, I might cut these. Probably get rid of the steps. We're not going to use them anyway. And I want to start on this roof. Get some of this pounded out. Looks pretty just shy from being mint at the moment, as you can see. I should remove that windshield. I might not do that today. We'll see. I probably should have got the snow off it outside. But that's fine. The other step. The cab of the truck, besides the roof, I mean, doesn't look that bad, really. It has potential to do something with. Box could use some work, but I think, just thinking out loud, that line there and that line there, we cut the box, make it shorter, possibly shorten it right there so that those lines flow, and then the other spot maybe right behind the wheel well. But we'll see. Don't mind my mess. I gotta bring that other OBS Chevy in here. Start putting parts on that too, but hey, we gotta do something fun once in a while. 1940s Internationals are oh so much fun when they're chopped and channeled, sectioned. Who knows? And there we go. Still not sold on the fenders. Clearly there's a little fix job up front here. I'm thinking about taking it apart there for the grill, both sides, completely lose the fenders, and just have the support rod coming from the front, and then I'll build my own, what would be the nose cone of the non-existent hood. Does that make sense? That's what I'm thinking. At the moment, I could change my mind in the next couple of minutes. But so I've always been told when assessing body damage on a vehicle like this, you want to try and figure out like where was the main point of impact and work your way out from there. So I would guess maybe this area and a little bit this way. Maybe. I would say, maybe a tree and something like that. That's what I'm envisioning. It would appear the door glass is good. This is a little laminated. Delaminated, I guess, would be the proper thing to say. This side's got a crack in it. I want to ask for my $100 back. Like, you can't buy nothing for $100 these days. You think you're getting a pristine automobile, and you get broken glass. Jesus. And this one doesn't even roll up all the way. Like, the beautiful one is not going to want to ride with me having to listen to the wind whistling all the way down the road. Unbelievable. they're so messed up. I don't know if you, I don't know if the camera catches it up because of all the spots. I'm sure you can see here. I can't get any closer here because there's a second layer above. I don't know what you call that. Head dash pan. I don't know what you call that. Anyway, that's why I can't get closer forward that way. I think if I took those screws out, that would give me an opening as well on either both sides. So then I might be able to get in there. And this one is right in the way of the back. So I could cut that, open it up, because obviously I'm going to have to put a different headliner of some sort in. And I could do whatever. I could go weld that back in, or I can make my own, or you see the lower in the back here. I can't get in there. This is coming out okay. Needs a lot of work yet. Hi. New day, new me. I did a bunch more whacking and hammering on the roof, mainly in the center. And let's have a look and see what you think. It's an important point in the build right now. Let me take this fancy John Deere rod here with the camera from my face as far as I can reach. Anyway, we'll roll it along. We're not looking too shabby. Across the crown in the center there, there's a few spots obviously where it lifts up. You can see daylight underneath. But overall, it's okay. There's a bit of a bad spot right there. So, I guess it's a little bit of decision time. Clearly this spot should have way more crown in it than this. The only way to get that out is when we cut out the inner structure. When we go to chop it, we got to cut there anyway. We're going to cut lower, but we could cut across the top just to get these pieces out if we are so inclined. On the driver's front, obviously, we have really good indentation still, and that's up above that inner headrest, whatever. I still don't know what you want to call it. Really bad right here. We can't do anything with that without cutting that out, because I can't get in there. Those screws are seized. I got the top of the windshield off. I ended up breaking those. The bottom, I got that soaking in WD-40 because those bolts are also rusted, so I can't even get the windshield out today. So with all that being said, we gotta decide, what are we gonna do cab wise? Leave it ratty, or I had this idea of leaving the whole truck ratty and just having a nice cab on the outside and inside. But depends how much time and energy we want to spend on this cab. Maybe we make the box and the front grille nice and the cab ratty, or we just go ratty across the whole thing. Not sure, but it's judgment time no matter what. Gotta decide before I go much further. I can still get ready to do all the chop because we're going to be cutting parts of the cab no matter what. It's just how nice do we make it after the chop. You think we should do cab wise or truck wise? I'll listen. Maybe not. Depends on the day. I hear I'm stubborn. So before this video gets too long and boring, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Later. Editor's note. I hope you enjoy the music in this one. Should be looking over here. I hope you enjoy the music in this one. It's classical music for a classic automobile.